Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about PL 900 exam. This is part 2 video of PL 900 series. In this video we are going to cover the rest of topic of part 1, and also in this video we are going to detail discussion about the dashboard, like how to build a dashboard, how dashboard look like and working of the dashboard. So thanks for coming. So now we are going to discuss about using AI insight to spot trends and anomalies. So in Power BI, you can use AI insight to gain access to collection of pre-training machine learning models that enhance your data preparation effort. You can access AI insight in a Power Query editor. Let's understand with one example. So, many retailer organizations see increase in sales during the month of December over the holiday session. This uptick in sales is expected, but what happens if sales were down during that month, or if they were higher in August than normal? So it's important to identify these anomalies as quickly as possible so you can take the necessary actions. So Power BI Insight features helps your organization easily identify insights such as anomalies and trend in your data as you interact and consume elements such as reports, dashboards, and visualizations. So it notify you if there are increasing insights and provide the explanation for them also. So it's good for us. So it work out of the box on your report, so you can automatically start getting insight from your report without any setup. So Power BI helps your organization to understand the trends and anomalies in a better way. So it's helpful for us. So coming to our next slides. So here this diagrams helps us to understand the anomalies of the organization. So Power BI has multiple insight features that can use artificial intelligence. So insight for reports, that means it analyzes the data and finds the anomalies and trend in your data as you interact with this report. Next is insight for individual visuals. That means it's analyze and explain the fluctuation of the data points in the visuals. That means when your data goes to down, when it goes to up. So we analyze our data with the help of individual visuals and Power BI. So next is the insight for the dashboard titles. That means it looks at the data begins used to render that title and presents them in interactive visuals. Next is the quick insight for the dataset. So automatically generate data insight on dataset in your Power BI service. And also it's to provide data modules in a Power BI query. That means it's provide the pretend and machine learning models for the Azure Cognitive Service. So in this diagram you can analyze and detect your data when data goes to uplift, when our graph goes to down. Also you can analyze in a better way downtimes, dates, total defect, all things mentioned in your dashboard. So it's good for us. So coming to a next topic is a notification. I know you already understand this topic because let's one example. Whenever I uploaded a YouTube video, so you got notification, right? If you want to see this video, you can go through, or otherwise you can swap it also. So same thing happened in a Power BI also. Power BI provides the notification, like if you are working in a Power BI element such as reports. Power BI automatically run insight analysis. When Power BI identifies insights, you are presented with the notification. You can choose to either see the insight or ignore it. This is a great way to protectively interact with the suggested insight to ensure that you are not missing any important, such as cells, a specific region, like a specific region cells goes to top. So this is help to us. So you got this diagram, like whenever you receive any notification, then you have a two option, like, yeah, if you see inside or otherwise show me later. So you can select. I assume you can understand the notification of Power BI topics. So the notification capabilities alert and notify you of insight as you are working on a report, and there are many scenarios where you may just able to get insight as you walk through some of the different elements. As you are working with the Power BI report or visuals, so you can select a get insight option. Then these panels only show insight about the current report page, and it updates when you select a different page on a report. As you work with the individual visualization, you can select three dot or more option in the upper right corner of the visuals and get insight to see the insight about the visuals and all. So coming to our next topic, how to build a basic dashboard. With the Power BI, we can easily create and share the dashboard with the manager by connecting a data source such as Excel spreadsheet on your laptop. While the data source that you use might be different, the process of building and sharing the dashboards are same. So, for building a dashboard, you need to follow some steps. So, first one, to prepare your data. So, preparing the data ensures that it's a format data that Power BI can easily consume. Next step is build a report. So the report contains the visuals that you want to include in your dashboard, and it's depending on the scenario. Reports can be built in either Power BI desktop or using Power BI service. Next step, to pin the report visuals to a dashboard. That means dashboards are the primary element that user use for viewing the data. They can include data from a multiple report as needed. And last is share a link to a dashboard. Like any user with the link and the necessary permission can easily be able to view, and also we can interact with the data. So now we understand how to create a report. So the first thing you need to do to ensure that your data is ready to be consumed. Depending on the data source and the volume of the data you are working with, this might include doing some data cleaning and transforming using Power Query. In the case of connecting to an Excel spreadsheet, we want to make sure the data is in a flat table and that each column contains the right data type. For example, text, date, here number, and currency. So it's also important that you want to a header row but no column or row that display totals. So total operation will be handled in a Power BI as we create the visuals. Now we understand how the upload your data to the Power BI service. So the Power BI service is where you will be able to create a report and that connect to your data source. This includes Excel file that live on your computer. With a few simple clicks, you can attach a data sheet, and Power BI will create a blank dashboard where you will able to place visual later. This is an image will attach to sample finance data. It shows the complete financial sample data set as well as the blank dashboard. The Power BI service is where you will be able to create reports that connect to your data source. This include Excel file that live on your computer with a few clicks. You can attach to a data sheet and Power BI will create a blank dashboard where you will able to place a virtual letter. So this is a very unique technology which provided by Power BI. So now we understand how to build your report. So once you connected to your data, you can either create a new report or edit an existing report that was created previously. Then we can begin editing the report by using the editing view. So in this slide, you can easily understand how to build your report with an example. So on the right side, we have the visualization, filter and field panels. Your Excel workbook table data appears in a field panel. At the top in the name of the table, financial under that Power BI list, the column heading and individual field. So different visualization are available that you can use to display the data in your report. So different visualization can be added to your report based on the data that you want to communicate. In this image, multiple bars charts are begin used to showcase the number of unit begin sold. Additionally, we have a map control is include to show the sales and volume present in the country. So each visualization include a series of filter and control that can be used to impact how the data is being presented. So for this example, if you want to change the sum of the unit sold to display profile by date, you could switch the y-axis from the sum of the units sold to sum of the profit. I think you understand this report. Thank you all for your support. Thanks a lot. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you want any specific topic, please comment in a comment box. Thank you again. Bye.